Hello everyone, how are you all? Today in this class we are going to discuss some unusual plants. Unusual plants are the plants that show some unique characters. Before we discuss unique characters, let me tell you people, first thing that may strike your mind is, what are unusual plants? Unusual plants are the plants that show unique characters and are quite different from other plants. Like they don't have chlorophyll, they are uncommon and are rarely found. Some examples of unusual plants are, there are some examples of unusual plants like saprophytes, cactus and insectivorous. These are the examples of unusual plants. Among these three, let us first discuss what saprophytes are. Saprophytes are the living organisms that obtain their nutrition by feeding on dead and decaying organisms. This mode of nutrition is called saprophytism, and the plants are called saprophytes. Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants because they don't have chlorophyll. Molds and mushrooms come in the category of saprophytes. Here are the images given. You can have a look at the given images. Now after saprophytes, let us discuss cactus. Cactus is a plant which do not have leaves because their leaves are converted, or you may say reduced to spines. It's clearly shown in the picture. Here arises a question then. How do they make their food? If they don't have leaves, then how do they make their food? Cactus plants, they make their food. Cactus plants can make their food even though they don't have leaves. Then how? The answer is by their stem, which is green in color. It is shown in the image. They have stem which is green, and by the help of this stem they can make their food. Cactus can make their food. Now let us discuss insectivorous plants. It is an image of insectivorous plants. It's the example of sundew, which is an insectivorous plant. Have a look at the picture. This is sundew, an insectivorous plant. Now, what are insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are those plants which derive their nutrients from trapping and consuming animals, insects. They trap and then digest the insects. They grow in places where soil is thin, or we can say they get their nutrition from the insects that they digest. They are also known as carnivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are also known as carnivorous plants. So, insectivorous plants are the plants that trap insects and then digest. They are also known as carnivores. Sundew, pitcher are the examples of carnivorous or insectivorous plants. Now let us discuss some other plants. There are some plants like croton and scillas which have white and colored patches on their leaves. These white or colored patches do not have chlorophyll. They do not contain chlorophyll, so they do not synthesize their food. Such patched leaves are called variegated leaves. Let me repeat it. Such patched leaves are called variegated leaves. You can see from the image carefully. These are known as variegated leaves. Thank you children for watching.